Mga madam, sirs, continuation po ito doon sa prior discussion ko doon sa implementing revenue regulations 3-2023 na revert back ang provisions ng zero rated sales sa dati. Ito po under section 4 4.106-5 ng section 2 ng revenue regulations 3-2023. Zero-rated sales of goods or services or properties by a VAT-registered person is a taxable transaction for VAT purposes but shall not result in any output tax. Ibig sabihin, walang output tax. However, the input tax on purchase of goods, services, or properties attributable to the zero-rated sale shall be available as a tax credit or refund in accordance with these regulations. So, ibig sabihin, pag may zero-rated ka, sales is zero-rated VAT. Ibig sabihin, walang output tax yan. Pero, pag may gastos ka or any purchases in connection with the zero-rated sales, makaka-claim ka ng input tax regarding that expense. Opo, unless na yung purchases mo dapat vatable. Pag hindi vatable, you cannot. Okay. Ibig sabihin ng vatable, may input tax po ang iyong purchases. So, you can claim it as tax credit or refund in accordance with the regulations. That's the benefit of a zero-rated sales. Opo, yan po ang end ng aking discussion in connection with the prior video. Okay po, madam. So, ang coverage nito, yung zero-rated sales. Revenue Regulations 9-2021, okay, differed by Revenue Regulations, take note, 15-2021, and then the next is Revenue Regulations 3-2023 regarding the VAT on zero-rated sales. Tandaan po natin, pag na-subject ang clients nyo na may export or zero-rated sales na hiningian ng BIR ng 12% VAT, huwag nyo pong pagbayarin kasi kawawa, malaki ang babayaran nila kasi sales yan. So, may mga implementing revenue regulations tayo na pwedeng ipakita sa kanila na ang kanilang assessment on 12% VAT on export is not correct. It's not correct. Okay po, mga mamshi, mga papsis, kung mga accountants at bookkeepers at mga taxpayers, this is additional info for you. Okay po. Bye-bye.